So Hempsana is a Canadian cannabis company. We specialize in providing derivatives of cannabis extracts.
Okay.
Our main revenue streams are extraction and purification of cannabis and hemp extracts, as well as getting ourselves downstream into end product manufacturing. What we've done is really invested ourselves into innovative technology, specifically into disruptive technology, that is going to allow us to get into, get us positioned well as a low-cost derivatives extractor.
Absolutely. And now you're saying derivative extractors, so you're going into CBD, or is it THC and other cannabinoids as well?
Yeah, so the variety of cannabinoids, whether it be THC, CBG, CBN, we're able to do extractions of all types of cannabinoids. Obviously, the hot topics around THC and CBD at this moment, but CBG has great health properties that people are interested in. So our extraction capabilities allows us to do extractions of any type of cannabinoid.
Very nice. And right now, where are you as a company in terms of building facilities, or where you're is your focus in Canada? Is it abroad? Give us a little bit of a breakdown of how your company operates.
Yeah, so our footprint has really been a global footprint. We looked at strategizing on capitalizing on the global market space, specifically in the EU and Asia. Obviously, our home ground is here in Canada. We have a facility outside of London, Ontario, in Goderich. 10,000 square foot extraction facility focused in on extractions, purification into distillate and isolates, as well as expansion into end product manufacturing, such as topical creams, beverages, edibles.
Very interesting. And is there any one area in particular that you're focusing on, in the sense of, I know you just said Asia and different areas. Is there certain countries that you really want to focus on, or is there certain products that you really focus on, as we're starting to learn about more extractors and different companies in this space, but they're all seeming to go for either a niche, or maybe they're going for a certain area. Is there one specifically that stands out for you?
Yeah, so if you look at Hempsana as a whole, our main focus is in wholesale distribution of distillate and isolate, whether it be THC, CBD, CBG, any type of cannabinoid. At the moment right now, we have an advantage, we believe, from a technology standpoint, that allows us to have low-cost starting material for THC. So we're going to hone in on the THC market for sure. The CBD market is obviously a huge marketplace globally. We're looking at the EU deregulating right now. As the countries start to deregulate, the CBD marketplace is just flourishing. Asia is considering opening up their markets to CBD products. In fact, some of the countries have already started marketing and selling CBD topical lotions. So that's an area that we really focus in on with regards to our niche products. 80% of the cannabis transactions in Canada are still within the black market space. And the trend actually is in mature markets such as California. You're seeing that still in California as well. So what we've done from Hempsana's standpoint is start to look at ways where we can kind of zone in on what is the root cause of this issue. And it's really price point. How do we get to a point where we're able to produce and manufacture goods for the consumers at a very low price point that's competitive to the black market space, but at with high quality grade products? And so what we've done is invest a lot of money into technologies, disruptive technologies that I mentioned before. And what we've done is found two things that we can do right now through our technologies that we've invested into. Number one, we're able to increase our productivity of our extraction technologies by 200 to 300%. 200 to 300%.
Wow.
What that does is allows us to free up a lot of the capital expenditures that we would be normally using to expand our facility to get more productivity, more production. And start to divert those funds to value-added products, product development, research and development into different technologies that will keep us ahead of the curve, sales development, sales channels, and stuff like that will allow us to start expanding and focusing on how to sell our product across not just in Canada but globally as well. Number two, the second technology that we're able to take advantage of is that we have found a way to decrease our starting material costs below the black market price point. So what that does is give us a head start with regards to our peers, such as, actually I won't even name names, but our competitors from a legal standpoint. But really what we focus ourselves on is the black market. What we want to do is to start tackling the market share that the black market has. And we feel that the technology that we have from a price point perspective allows us to do so.